we go on, he'll be able to share with you. We also have a great surprise. A great surprise. We have a celebrity in the house. We have Brother Dahveed from the 60s, Last Poets. If you know the Last Poets, raise your hand. We have Brother Dahveed is in the house. And last but not least, we have Dr. Asari. Yay! Yay! Dr. Asari. And as always, we want to thank Brother Bumani and his staff for being relentless and bringing our people to Africa. Let's give Brother Bumani and his staff a great round of applause. Really love the work that the brother is doing. Yes. My name is Dahveed Jawara. I'm your humble servant, working to free our people from ism and schism, from poverty, from mental slavery, and to assist you in coming home to be free. To be free. And I will read a statement from Kwame Nkrumah, the great founder of this great country called Ghana. It used to be called Gold Coast. And I'm reading from a quote from the book, Africa Must Unite. Okay? It's a great book. You want to get a copy of Kwame Nkrumah's book, Africa Must Unite. And I'm quoting him. European Christianity, Islam, and indigenous tradition has created great division in our people. I repeat, European Christianity, Islam, and indigenous tradition has caused great division in our people. And Kwame Nkrumah came to bring unity in our people. So we are beyond religion. We're not going to fight over religion anymore. We're not going to fight over tradition anymore. We're going to unite, because this is the plan of Africa. And I'm so happy that Africa uniting, Africa for the Africans. So that's right in line with Kwame Nkrumah's book, Africa for the Africans. We're going to move full speed ahead. We want to open up with a nice poem to loosen everybody up. See, we usually sing, but since we don't have the great singers with us, you know, Gil Scott, you know, but we have Brother Dahveed that's going to bring Gil Scott's spirit to you today. Brother Dahveed, come and give us Gil Scott.